Hello everybody! In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple photos or pictures to one Instagram story easily. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. This is one of the most useful Instagram story tricks, and it can really make your content stand out. Being able to add multiple photos to your Instagram story helps you create cool photo collages, tell better stories, and improve engagement with your followers. Here's how to do it. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the bottom. Select Story from the options at the bottom of the screen. You can either take a new photo or tap the gallery icon in the bottom left to choose an existing photo. I'll go ahead and choose one from my photo library. Now that the first photo is added, tap on the stickers icon, the square smiley face at the top. From the sticker menu, select the photo sticker. This allows you to add more pictures to your story, even on the same. Choose another image. You can then move it around, resize it by pinching, and tap on it to change its shape or layout. This is a great way to create a photo collage in Instagram stories. You can repeat this to layer multiple pictures as you want. You can also resize or move the background image. And of course, add text, music, GIFs, or anything else to make your story more engaging. Once you're happy with your Instagram story layout, tap Your Story to post it. And that's it. That's how to put multiple pictures in one Instagram story easily using built-in features. No third-party apps required. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, please like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy Instagram tutorials.